I'm standing here outside another house for rent. Another one, yes. Really nice with a garden. And this whole shebang goes for $100 a month. So if you're considering to rent a house, this might be one for you. Let's take a quick walk around and show you guys the garden. Top floor, I didn't see that before, but there are like windows, shutter windows that can be open. There's a nice draft at the moment here. We're growing here lemons, papaya, coconut, and I think also mangoes. It's hard to find a place in this country where mangoes are not growing in your garden, if you have a garden. As you can see here, I think it's the well, and it will be free water for anybody. It would be free water for anyone who moves in, because well water is, as we know, for free, except they use a bit of electric on the water pump. Let's go inside and take a look around. Let's go inside and take a look at the house. The guitarist does not come with the house. But I think it does come with everything else. The cooker, the fridge, the water boiler. There might be a toaster here as well. Take a quick look at the bathroom. It's what we call a traditional Khmer bathroom toilet. And let's go upstairs and take a look, because there's even more up here. Now we're upstairs and let's take a look around. There's a nice spot up here. I really enjoy this location. It's a nice spot for hanging laundry, for example. Okay, the gaps show more in the camera than I can see with my eye. But like I say, it's very easy to fix up in any style you might want. It also have shutter windows, a ceiling fan. Anything is possible. $100 a month. All you need to pay on the side is electric. About 2 minutes walk from the house, you will be walking along this beautiful temple wall around some of the beautiful Angkor Wat temples. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're considering to retire or move to Cambodia, feel free to drop me a message and I will do all I can to help you out. Never forget to smile. Hope you have a beautiful day. Feel free to subscribe, like and share.